Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can buy your own NFT from OpenSea. So you go on OpenSea, you open an account, do all the basic stuff, and then search for the collection that you're interested in. In my case, I'm interested in Junior Punks, so I'll type in Junior Punk and go here and see that all these NFTs are either in Ether or in Wrapped ETH. Okay, so here I'll click on buy now, which means these are the ones listed for selling. So I can buy any of these. I've already chosen one, so let's say I want to buy this, and this one is in ETH. So if I want to buy this, I have to pay in ETH. I have to pay this exact amount, 0.15 ETH, which is somewhere around $388. However, I want to make a counter offer. I want to buy this for 0.10 instead of 0.15. So how do I make a counter offer? I go here and press make offer, and as you can see, if I had to make a counter offer, I have to do it using Wrapped ETH. But I don't have the requisite amount, which is 0.10. I have 0.09, right? So I need to top up. How do you top up? I use Binance. You go on Binance, and I've already purchased some ETH using P2P. So now what I'll do is I will go to my account, log in on Binance, and then press on withdraw. Okay. Here I have to select Ethereum because that is what I'm trying to withdraw. And I'm going to be, I need my address, right? So you need your MetaMask. I hope you have already configured your MetaMask. It's a very popular extension. You go on MetaMask, and then you make sure that this is on Ethereum network, because this is the Ethereum, this token is on the Ethereum chain. So here I'll just copy my address and I'll paste that address over here and select the Ethereum chain. This is the ERC20 Ethereum chain, and as you can see, like I need to select the funding wallet because that is the source of my wallet, and I can press max. It automatically takes into account the gas fees, which is 0.00625. So when I'm trying to withdraw 0.028, I'll be receiving 0.022 because the other remaining portion will go to the miners. So here I'll just press withdraw. You can double check the address, make sure that it is correct, and make sure that the network is correct. So now I'll press continue, and it's going to ask me for the phone verification and email verification code. Okay, so once you press submit after entering the verification code, you should see something like this. It will take some time to confirm the transaction. Press on complete, and then you can see that this will take some time to reach your wallet. You should see the top up amount on your MetaMask wallet. You can also track it. You can also track the block. So you need at least 12 confirmations before the transaction is successful. Okay, so as you can see, like I have received the ETH that I transferred. Now what I am going to do is I have to go on the crypto page, the Junior Punk page, and see whether I have received the amount in my wallet. So like as you can see, now it shows $63, but I can't use this to make the bid. I have to use Wrapped ETH to make the offer. So I'll click on make offer, and this should increase. I don't know. Okay, I have to convert it to wrapped teeth first. So like as you can see, I have 0.09 wrapped teeth, but I need 0.1 to make the offer that I want. So I have to convert some of it into wrapped teeth. How I'll do that? What I'll do is I have to click in the three dots and press wrap. Once I click on wrap, I'll be asked how much I want to convert into wrapped teeth, but like they will take gas fees to convert. So what I'll do is I need to make sure that there are some amount left for the gas fees. So here I have balance. This should not be 5.63. This is incorrect. Let me see if this is. I have to let me press refresh. Okay, now press on make offer. I'm sorry. Press on. You have to convert the ETH first. So I'll click on these three dots and click on wrap. And here as you can see now it shows updated balance. So let me see how much I should do. Maybe I will 0.01, I guess 0.015. I don't know, 0.017, I guess. Yeah, the rest of it I'll just keep for gas fees. So I'll convert 0.017 and convert into tokens. So this will get converted into this. As you can see, the gas fees is $1.63, and total this much amount will be converted to wrapped teeth. So I'll just press on confirm, and now it's converting my ETH to wrapped teeth. Once successful, you will receive a transaction complete message, and then you can see that this is what I have left, and this is what is my wrapped teeth. Now I'll just press hit refresh and see whether I have the requisite amount that I need to make an offer. Okay, it's still not showing. I don't know why. It should show. Still showing 0.09. Not sure why. I think I need to convert more of it. Okay, now it's showing. See, 0.107. See, so now I can make the offer that I want to with wrapped teeth. So now I will press make offer, and here I will just write 0.1, because this is exactly what I want to offer this person for this NFT. And offer expiration, let me just put 1 day, I guess. I'll give him 1 day to accept or reject. And 0.1. Okay. I'll give him time till what time should we give him? Let's see. These guys are usually online at midnight. So I guess 11:30 PM is fine. Yeah, 11:30 PM. Make offer. I need to approve. I need to sign this transaction first. The first stage is signing. So confirm this. First approve, and then they'll ask for my signature. Hopefully, I think. This is my first NFT purchase, by the way, so I'm not sure how this works, but usually they ask for a signature. After approval, they ask for a signature, but it seems that my transaction is confirmed and successful. sure why this is still loading. I have no idea. Let me refresh and check. Okay. Offers, it still shows no offers. I'm not sure why, because it should show my offer if my offer was to be confirmed. Let me make the offer again. 0. Oh wait, let me just check my MetaMask wallet first. Okay, I have to confirm. See, I have to confirm. This is the gas fees, $1.47, and I have to sign. See, I have to sign this, and it says pending. So this will take some time to approve the transaction, and I can pay more gas fees to speed up the transaction. Heck, I can even track this, right? So as you can see, now it is confirmed. So now I have successfully bid on that NFT, right? So this is a confirmed transaction.